Right, so this question is the largest local value in the metric. So you are given a grid, and then you need to return the size for the grid n-2 by n-2. So this is pretty much the idea, and this is supposed to be easy. So you need to get the largest value in the 3x3 in the grid. So for this one, so for this cell, right? You are getting this value from here to here, right? So this is 9, which is the largest element in the little grid, right? And then on the next one, on the next one for this one, you are going to get a little grid from here to here, and then find out the maximum value. And then this is going to be pretty much, so you will traverse these 4 different spots to get all of the grid, right? So this is going to be pretty much that you traverse probably a lot of time, right? So just imagine that how many times you traverse this one. I would say like at least 2, but how many for this one? You will definitely traverse 4 times, right? 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4, right? So okay, this is not the problem. So basically we just need to what using the logic. So I started from here, and I need to traverse from here, and then inside my traversal I need to traverse a big one, right? So let me just write down the return value for the 3x3. So I need to return the int, and I need to get what get value, something like this, right? And then in my argument I would definitely have a grid. I would definitely have a x and y, which represent what the row and column. So I need to have a return value, which is result. I'm going to set to what integer.min value and return result. And I traversing my I equal to what? I equal to x, I less than x plus 3, right? And then I plus plus. So so you still need to do for the j. So for for int j equal to y, j less than y plus 3, j plus plus. So basically just a result equal to math.max result, and then grid ij. And this is going to be pretty much for my helper function, and I need to create my little grid. So I mean the return grid. So it's going to be my n equal to this, and then my result equal to new int, and then the size is going to be what n-2 and n-2, right? So it's going to be n-2 and n-2. So the reason why I use in the n and m, this is because you need to practice for the good habit, and somehow like if the grid are not the same, right? So you probably would miss up something in other question, but not in this case. But whatever. Alright, so I still need to traverse from I equal to 0, I less than n-2. This is because you only need to traverse n-2, right? And then when you basically when you hit this point, right, you will definitely get a value from here to here, right? So you don't need to traverse from here. If you traverse from here, you will get out of bound, right? And you don't want it. And I plus plus. And then same thing for j. For int j equal to 0, j less than n-2, j plus plus. And then result I and j will represent what? I and j will represent the return grid, and I need to get a value from the big grid, and then I was passing I and passing a j. So this is going to be pretty much the solution, and submit. So okay, let's talk about the time and space. So in this one, definitely all of n square, right? Inside the n square, you are going to have what? 3 square, and then it's going to be what? 9 times n square for the time. And I would say like this is going to be brute force solution. I can't think another solution with the efficiency. So at the end, like, you need to get rid of a constant. So this is all of n square times a constant, and then you get rid of the constant, right? So worst case for the time is n squared, and the space is going to be what? All of n times n. Like the -2 doesn't actually affect the result, right? So n times n, and then for the n times n for the space, and then all of n times n for the time. And then you can say n squared, doesn't matter because they're actually the same length, right? Width and height, width and length are the same. So this is the solution. So if you have any question, leave a comment below and I will talk to you later. Bye.